Chapter review question number 6. Two variables s and t are thought to be connected by an equation of the form t is equal to a plus bs, where a and b are constants. Then use the summary data to work out the regression line of t on s. So we need to calculate the regression line of t on s. So we have the line t on s, which is t is equal to a plus bs. If we need to calculate the regression line or work out the regression line, then all we need to find out here is the value of a and value of b. And once we find those values and plug it in, we have our regression line. So let us start by working out the value of b. So when we have equation of the line t on s, then we have the value of b as s st divided by s ss, and that gives us the value of b. Now how do we calculate the numerator, which is sst? So the formula for sst is sigma st minus sigma s into sigma t divided by n, and the whole thing divided by sss. Now here we already are given the value of sss, so we can straight away write that as 6193. So that is 6193. Now let's plug in the values from the information given. We are given the value of sigma st as 31,185. Then we have sigma s as 553, sigma t as 549, and the number n as 12. So all we need to do here is to plug in these values. Sigma st was 31,185 minus sigma s, which is 553, multiplied by sigma t, which is 549, divided by 12, and all of that divided by 6193. When we calculate the numerator, we get 588.25, and that we need to divide with 6193, and when we work that out, we get 0.95031. This is rounded off. So we have already worked out the value of b. Now we need to work out the value of a. So we see that t is equal to a plus bs. So t is equal to a plus bs. If we make a the subject of formula here, we can find the value of a. A is equal to t minus bs. So we take this term bs to the other side. So a is equal to t minus bs. Here we use the average values of t and average values of s. So we have got the total value of t. All the values of t added together give 549. Therefore, the average value of t will be 549 divided by the total number of entries, which is 12. So we have average value of t, which is 549 divided by 12, minus the b value that we have already calculated here, 0.95031. So 0.95031, and multiply that by s value, the average of the s value rather. So s value total of all the s values is 553. Average will be dividing it by the total number of entries, which is 12. So 553 divided by 12, and that will give us the average value of a, which is 1.9565. So 1.9565, and if we round it to 3 significant figures, we get answer as 1.96 to 3 SF. So we have now found the value of A that we were looking for and the value of B. Now we can complete the regression line by plugging in these values. So let's continue here. So we have T is equal to A, which is 1.96, plus the value of B that we found, which is 0.95. We can take it as 0.95, and S. So this is the equation of the regression line, and that answers for part A of the question. Now in part B, we need to find the value of T when S is equal to 50. So we have the regression line already. T is equal to 1.96. Here we can take more digits. So to get more accurate answer, 1.9565. So 1.9565 plus 0.95031. Here also I'm taking more digits to have more accuracy. So I'm just using this equation with more accurate values of A and B, and the S value that I have is 50. So in place of S, I will write 50. And once I calculate that, I get 49.5, which is rounded to 3 significant figures. And that answers part B.